Hey guys, it's me, Dax from Dax Maine. It's almost my bedtime, and I am videotaping this huge moon. So here's our backyard, and here's it is in the sky. That looks pretty small here. I don't think it's supposed to be small. That's so weird. I'm trying to get it to focus. So there she is. For some reason I can't get the craters on it. But that is right over my house. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful moon. Oh, there she is. I'm trying to get a good video for you guys, because I know you guys would love to see this. If you're somewhere where you can see this thing where it's huge, you're extremely lucky. That's something you don't see every day. I'm going to try to tilt it because it doesn't look that same way, but if you have it on here, oh my gosh, on my phone, this looks amazing if you can see that. That is one of the biggest moon. Well, it's not the biggest, but it's a pretty good moon. So some things to talk about. I think there's going to be some severe thunderstorms. And I have no idea. I'm probably going to be videotaping them. If we do get one here in Hurricane. So I'm gonna try to get a few nice screenshots. I'm also gonna show you a few of the stars. I mean, there's a star right there if you can't see it. I swear these things barely show up on camera. So there's the moon. I swear there's a star right here. Oh my gosh, there's some stars that I can't visibly see. But there's some stars on here that I can't even visibly see. But they're showing up on here if you can't see that. That's so weird. I'm trying to get this. So there's your best shot. Every day I make vids. Supermoon 2020, April the 7th or the 8th.